Creating a new task in ClickUp is a simple process that allows you to manage your work efficiently. Tasks can be used for a variety of purposes, such as managing projects, collaborating with team members, and tracking progress. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a new task in ClickUp. Log into ClickUp. Open your ClickUp account by visiting the ClickUp website or mobile app. Ensure you're logged into your workspace. Navigate to your space or folder. ClickUp organizes your work into spaces and folders. Navigate to the relevant space or folder where you want to add the task. Create a new task. Click the plus new task button located at the top right corner of your workspace or within the relevant space or folder. Fill in task details. Task name. Provide a clear and descriptive name for your task. Description. Add additional information about the task, such as context, instructions, or comments. Due date. Set a deadline to track when the task should be completed. Assignee. Assign the task to a team member responsible for completing it. Priority. Select the priority level on the urgency of the task. Attachments. Attach files, images, or other relevant documents directed to the task for easy access. Add custom fields. You can add custom fields to capture specific information related to the task. For example, track budget, status, or additional tags relevant to the task. Assign to a list or workflow. Organize your task by adding it to a list or workflow, depending on your team's workflow structure. Save and organize. Once you have filled in all necessary details, click Save to create the task. It will now appear in the chosen space or folder where team members can view, update, or collaborate on it.